Hello everyone, I am Kaushika. In this video, we are going to learn about what is assignment problem and how it can be solved by algorithm analysis. So assignment problem is a fundamental optimization problem in algorithm analysis. It deals with assigning a set of tasks to a set of agents in most optimal way, typically to minimize the cost or maximize the efficiency. So the example of assignment problem is here we have a 4 persons and 4 jobs which are the costs are given 11, 4, 9, 10, 8, 6, 5, 9, 7, 10, 3, 10, 9, 8, 10, 11. So the first step is row minimization. Row minimization is we have to check each row which have a minimum value and we have to subtract the minimum value with the other values in the first row. So we have to first check the first row. First row we have the minimum value which is 4. We have to minus the 4 with other values. So 11 minus 4 equal to 7. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. 10 minus 4 equal to 6. In second row we have to we have a minimum value of 5. So we have to subtract the 5 with other values. So 8 minus 5 equal to 3. 6 minus 5 equal to 1. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. So third row we have the minimum value of 3. So we have to subtract the 3 with other elements. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. 10 minus 3 equal to 7. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. In fourth row we have the minimum value of 6. So we have to subtract the 6 with other values. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So the final answer of the row minimization is, so we have the persons A, B, C, D and the job 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer will be 7, 0, 5, 6, 3, 1, 0, 4, 4, 7, 0, 7, 3, 2, 5, 0. This is the final answer of the row minimization. So next step is a column minimization. Column minimization is same like that in row minimization. Here column minimization we have to check each column which has a minimum value and subtract with the other elements in the same column like we have done in row minimization. So here we have to check the first column which has a minimum value of 3. So we have to subtract the 3 with other elements in the first column. So 7 minus 3 equal to 4. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Likewise we have to do in second column. Second column we have the minimum value which is 0. So the answer will be same. So 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. 7 minus 0 equal to 7. 2 minus 0 equal to 2. So third column we have the minimum value 0. So the answer will be same. 5 minus 0 equal to 5. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 5 minus 0 equal to 5. Fourth column the minimum value is 0. So 6 minus 0 equal to 6. 4 minus 0 equal to 4. 7 minus 0 equal to 7. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. So the final value of column minimization is 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 7, 2, 5, 0, 0, 5, 6, 4, 7, 0. So next step is row scanning. In row scanning, we have to check each row which has a single zero. So the first step, in first row we have a single zero in second column. So we have to strike out the second column. In second row we have two zeros, so we have to skip the second row. In third row we have a zero in third column, so we have to strike out the third column. And then next in last row we have two zeros, so we have to skip this step. After done with row scanning, the next step is the column scanning, same as that row scanning. Here in column scanning we have to check each column which has a single zero, otherwise we have to skip the step. Here in column scanning we have to check each column which has a single zero. So here second column and third column we have already done in row scanning, so we skip this step. Now we have first column and fourth column. First column we have two zeros, so we have to skip this column. And then in last row, last column we have a single zero in last row, so we have to strike out the last row. After done with row scanning and column scanning, next we have to check the number of rows and columns is equal to the optimized solution or not. So optimized solution is we have here 4 person and 4 jobs, but the number of rows and column is 1, 2, 3. So 3 not equal to 4. So we still need one more solution to find the final answers. So again we have to move on to the column scanning. So this is the previous answer. So column scanning means we have to check each column. So in first column we have a single zero. This row is already strike outed by the row scanning. We have a single zero. We have to strike out the row. So now we get the number of rows and columns which is equal to the optimized solution, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we get the number of rows and columns which is equal to the optimized solution. So the final solution will be for person A, we have marked the 0 in job 2. So the cost of job 2 is 4. So for the person 1, we have marked job 2 which is 4. And then for person B, we have marked 0 in job 1. The cost of job 1 is 8. So for person B, job 1 equal to 8. And then person 3, we have marked 0 in job 3. So the cost of job 3 is 3. For person 4, we have marked 0 in the job 4. So the cost of job 4 is 6. Now we have to add the last value 4, 8, 3, 6. So the total cost will be 21.